Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing well. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a beauty hack. Since we are in a quarantine situation and we are all locked down, so I thought it would be a good idea to provide you with some beauty hacks. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to remove blackheads with egg mask. So let's get on to the video. Now let me show you the nose where I have blackheads. You can use this remedy anywhere you want, wherever you have blackheads. First, you have to take a bowl of warm water to steam your blackhead area. You can also use towel and wet it with warm water and press it on top of your blackhead area. The ingredients we need is an egg and tissue paper. We have to remove the yolk from the egg white and beat it a little bit to get the foaming effect. Now take a brush and brush the areas where you have blackheads with the egg. Then take a single play of tissue paper and tear them apart in a few random pieces, and we just have to place that on top of the nose. The moisture will hold on to the tissue paper. Then we will add one more layer of egg. And now we are going to wait until it is dry completely. And once it's dry, just go ahead and peel it off like any other peel off mask. It is quite painful but worth it. Let's see the blackheads that we have removed. So I have washed my face and also applied this serum. It is the Essential Daily Care Serum. If you want to use it, you can also use it. I love this serum and it really suits my skin. And this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Ta-da!